Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Binance grid bot. A grid bot is an automated trading strategy that places a series of buy and sell orders within a specified price range. It's designed to capitalize on market fluctuations, buying when the price drops to a grid line and selling when it rises to another. This approach helps you profit from sideways markets, making small, consistent gains. To get started, head over to the Binance platform and find the Strategy Trading section, then select Spot Grid. Here, you'll choose your trading pair, like Ethereum versus USD, and set the upper and lower price limits for your grid. Next, decide how many grids you want and the total amount of capital you wish to allocate to this strategy. It's a straightforward process.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Speaking of automation, why not upgrade your home's clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, bringing smart automation to your daily life, just like a grid bot brings automation to your trading. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
When setting up, consider your key parameters carefully. Always implement a stop loss to protect your investment if the market moves unexpectedly against your position. The number of grids you choose impacts your profit per trade. More grids means smaller individual profits but potentially more frequent trades. Also, define your desired profit percentage per grid to align with your risk appetite. Once your bot is running, consistent monitoring is crucial. Market conditions are dynamic, so regularly check your bot's performance and be prepared to adjust its settings. If the asset's price moves significantly outside your defined range, it might be time to reevaluate your price limits or even consider closing the bot to prevent further losses. Stay agile and adapt.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.